Good afternoon, traders everywhere. Jeremy Lutz here with your midday market update for Monday, the 21st of May. And welcome back to the trading week, everybody. It seems stocks moved a little bit higher today, although they remain well off their recent highs. They've benefited from a bit of bargain shopping by some traders that are looking for some deals for some stocks that have pulled back off their recent highs. However, buying interest remains relatively subdued amid lingering concerns about the financial situation in Europe, and a lack of major U.S. economic data is also keeping some traders on the sidelines. I know with the recent G8 summit this weekend, news was coming out. They're trying to focus within Europe to create some better strategies for dealing with the debt over there, but I guess only time will tell. But moving along, we'll look at the Dow Jones today. Currently up a little bit under 1% at 12,472.65. Still negative 90. Long-term, intermediate, and short-term traders are all short based on their trade triangles. NASDAQ, much the same, up a little bit today to 2,835.31. Currently a negative 90 as well. Short, long-term, intermediate, and short-term traders are still short the position across the boards based on the trade triangles. And, is this just a kind of a one-day, early week, buying session, or, is this going to continue later this week? Well, only time will tell, really. S&P 500 still negative 90, currently trading at 1,311.07. Still short across all boards and all time frames. Silver actually had kind of a flat day yesterday when trading open on the spot price. Down day today at 28.23 currently. We're at negative 75. Monthly and weekly are still down. So long term, we're in intermediate term, we're still short this position right now. Short term traders on the sideline. Looks like we could probably get back to the if we get down to this, where's that low, like 27.78, 27.50 areas, right where you should see a red daily trade triangle signal to go short on a short time frame. Move on, gold, much the same story. Started the day up, it's kind of heading down a little bit back to 1591, negative 75. Intermediate and long-term traders are still short this market. Short-term traders on sidelines based on this green daily exit there. Gold's got a little ways to go before we issue a red one to go short. Copper, July copper had a good day yesterday when trading open. Still a good day today, currently up to $3.50. Overall, still a negative 100 though. We're still short this market, all time frames, long term, intermediate term, and short term. Crude oil kind of had some news out of Iraq and some things going on in the Middle East. Kind of pushing it up a little bit today. Long term, though, we still see this market heading lower. Long term, intermediate, and short term traders are all short this market. Currently trading at 92.70. Euro USD, negative 75. We actually exited short positions trading yesterday on a green daily trade triangle at 1.279. So that short-term traders exited their short positions. However, long-term and intermediate-term traders are still short this market. Moving on to CRB, it's kind of had a couple updates there. It's kind of flattened back out. Still negative 100. Looking at 290.12. So intermediate, long-term, and short-term traders are all short that market. A couple big movers today. Wal-Mart issued a new monthly on Monday at 62.63. Currently trading at 62.93. Had a huge gap up last week and still looks like it's continued that momentum. We are long-term, all time frames this stock at a plus 100. And we got Renren, which actually I got a alert just before we went on. It had a new monthly trade triangle at $4.80, negative 90. So intermediate, long-term, and short-term were all negative, and could be a potential to short this market if you want to take a look at that. That wraps that up for today. Encourage all members. Today we had our daily exchange on the members only blog. Bargain hunting. Are you out looking for any stocks, stocks that have kind of moved off recent highs, moved down? Maybe they've moved back into a little bit of a pullback that you're looking to enter, come in here and tell us about it. We had some great comments today already about things, about how some members use MarketClub to trade, different strategies, just some general questions. But we urge all members to go to the members blog, go in. You can freely comment about anything that you like. If you have a strategy or a stock that you're looking at and you want to get an opinion on from some other members, they'll be glad to help you. If you're not a member, definitely I urge you to take the $8.95 trial, try it for 30 days and see what all the hubbub is about. We've made a lot of great improvements to include the recent trade triangles. New big update is your alerts. The alerts now will tell you only when there is a new trade triangle. That's a nice feature that a lot of members have been asking for. Again, give it a try. This is Jeremy Lutz signing off from MarketClub today. Every success, and hopefully you go out there and find some bargains in the stock market today.